My name is Ignacio Nunez. I'm the Chief Operations Officer of CellReady. CellReady is a G-Rex-centric CDMO located in Houston, Texas.
And I'm Josh Ludwig. I'm the Global Commercial Director for ScaleReady. We're a tool and technology provider and a protocol optimization organization. We're focused on G-Rex-based processes. And I'm excited to be back talking with you, Ignacio. We're getting ready for another exciting event that we want to tell you more about. But before we get into it, you and I have been talking about lean manufacturing a bit over the last year or so.
Yeah.
And what do you think? Are you hearing more about lean in cell and gene therapy?
Yes, and actually it's very inspiring. It's very inspiring because it feels that finally the industry, the cell therapy and gene therapy industries are getting mature enough to turn back to basic, look into processes, optimize processes, and then take it from there rather than looking for what is the big things, the next big gadget with bells and whistles.
Yeah, and we decided that there was an appetite for lean manufacturing in CGT, and we held our first event the Monday of the week of CAR TCR in Boston.
Yeah.
And I'm curious, what were your thoughts? I thought it was pretty well received. It was a unique event, was kind of the feedback. But what did you think?
Yeah, and curious enough, when we thought that was very new, actually we were able to find people who have been applying lean in different angles and different areas of the industry, such as academia, hospitals, service providers. So, I mean, there are people who actually have been applying lean, and when they came to the event and they show us the result, and they have been doing for years now, actually was quite impressive. And I think it's a great opportunity for the field to learn and see that actually it's not so unusual that you have best practice that you can pretty much copy paste and apply right away.
So, in short, I think what we realized, what people who attended that event realized, and what we want others to experience is, operational efficiency is lean. How can you create a more efficient operation? Could you define lean?
My definition?
Your definition. I know we've talked about it before, but for those maybe new to lean.
So lean is the continuous pursuit of perfection, right? So trying to systematically remove waste from your value chain. Now, after many years applying lean, to me, my best definition, or the definition that really moved me forward, is the structure application of common sense. Then you have to define what is the structure, and that is common, or what is common and what makes sense, right? But eventually, when you put common sense and you start removing waste and you put it as part of a framework, makes a lot of sense. And when you do it systematically, you just get better, and then your value chain and your processes are able to be less wasteful, and you benefit, whether it's your client, or in this case patient, is the ultimate impact of lean.
And I think what we're asking for is for the field to continue to move forward, to the field to continue to learn from lean and best practices and principles. We're going to continue to bring this show on the road. And our next event is the Thursday, November 6th, the week of the SITC meeting. So we'd love to see you there. Come on out. It's a free event. There's going to be a lot of great speakers.
Yeah, we look forward to seeing you there.